Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly amass wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer may lie not in what they do, but in how they think about money. Welcome to today's discussion on financial stability and wealth creation. The first point to consider is the importance of financial education. Understand how money works. It's not enough to just earn it, one must know how to grow it. This involves understanding the basics of savings, investments, taxes, and inflation. Take the time to educate yourself about these topics. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's financial power. Next, cultivate a positive money mindset. Believe in your ability to acquire wealth. It's not about being greedy or materialistic. It's about understanding that money is a tool that can provide opportunities and security. Don't let negative beliefs about money hold you back. Instead, envision the life you want and believe that you have the ability to create it. Thirdly, set clear financial goals. Do you want to retire early, buy a house, travel the world? Having clear goals will guide your financial decisions and keep you motivated. But remember, it's not enough to just set goals. You must also create a plan to achieve them. Now let's move on to the importance of savings. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This might seem like a daunting task, but remember, you don't have to start big. Even small amounts can accumulate over time. Consider automating your savings to ensure that you're consistently setting money aside. Investing is another key to wealth creation. Don't let the fear of risk keep you from investing. Yes, there's always a level of risk involved, but the potential rewards are significant. Start by investing in what you know and understand, and as your confidence grows, you can diversify your portfolio. Lastly, live within your means. This doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself of everything you enjoy, but it does mean making wise financial decisions. Avoid unnecessary debt and aim to spend less than you earn. In summary, building wealth and achieving financial stability involve gaining financial education, cultivating a positive money mindset, setting clear financial goals, saving consistently, investing wisely, and living within your means. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. So take the first step today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom.